Not every time. Yeah.
So you came all the way from Kuching?
Yeah, but I'm quite familiar with KL because I've studied here during my undergrad years as well as during my I'm from Sarawak.
Sarawak, you said in Borneo, right?
Borneo.
Like Kinabalu, right? Kota
That one is
Kinabalu.
Sabah.
Oh,
Mine
Sabah.
is Sarawak.
But Kota Kinabalu
Yeah,
is so
by
nice.
Pontianak, Kalimantan Barat.
Yeah. Yeah, Kota Kinabalu, right? I was there.
Which language?
Kota Kinabalu is in Malaysia.
Malaysia also.
Like, but mostly like Melayu, right? Melayu.
Similar. Malay language is the Bahasa Melayu is the national language.
Like Malay in
Nepal,
Sarawak is quite
there are
different.
more than 100 languages.
100 language.
125 languages are spoken.
Ooh, for local language? Let me check.
Nepal is a multicultural, multilingual country.
So many
But you have
diverse.
national language,
So
right?
many diversity. Yeah.
Multi-caste.
Nepali, right?
There are
National
more
language.
than 100 castes.
Wow.
They live together, but unity and diversity can be seen in our country.
Yeah, like in our country we have a lot of local language, but our national language is
Let's visit Nepal 2020 upcoming. Why don't we come?
I will.
You are heartily welcome.
Yeah.
It's one of my dreams is traveling. So I will consider.
Mount Everest.
I will consider to go to that.
If you are a nature lover, there's
Yes.
plenty for you to marvel on. If you are a researcher, like you want to research on certain culture or ethnicity, you can see variety and shades of them.
Okay.
If you are a student of history or you want to see the the war and all those things like Gurkhas, the people, the Gurkhas and their warrior and all. So you can come and see that as well. Whatever you
Yeah,
want.
we say that it is a country of Himalaya, Mount Everest. Have you heard the name? It is a country of Gautam Buddha. Yeah.
The highest city, right?
Yeah.
In the world. Yeah, I
Mountain
have
of
ever
gold.
watched
Nature
National
and
Geographic.
culture. It's a good blend of nature and culture.
Is it the highest CP in the world? I saw in National Geographic at the time. It was really nice. I really want to. I do. Maybe I will consider to find some funding to go there. There's someone want to pay my research. I will go to I'll find sponsor. I will see tomorrow. I will see my friend from ExxonMobil. Maybe I will talk to them. Your company have a chance to CSR.
So you can do gender studies over there, and if you go to the far western region of Nepal, you will see how women, young girls, are
Married,
left
right?
in the cowshed in their menstruation days.
Menstruation period.
Their menstrual-
Yeah.
This,
It's called Chaupadi.
Yeah, I'm not
Chaupadi system.
They're in small
promising
place
to stay in their
after they are
home.
finished the period and then back home, right?
Menstruation period, they
Yeah, I
leave the home.
watch in National Geographic.
Cow shed.
They're isolated in a small room, right?
During our
Isolated,
menstrual
right?
Okay.
So
They
for
spend
that, they are not
more
supposed to touch
than 3
anything.
nights there.
So they will put them
At that time, they may be
in the
raped.
cowshed or somewhere like that.
And
Wherever the
sometimes
cows and cattle are kept.
They're isolated, right? In that small place and after finish the
Oh,
period.
many level
Every
points.
time, every time.
It on every menstruation period. Yeah.
National Geographic.
Yeah. All girls and the female also.
The highest village in the world, I know, from the National Geographic.
They also believe
Attacked by animals, wild
women
animals like tigers and
new baby
leopards.
child
So it has been
should not
happening, but
stay in a
the-
home.
since the
And they
women are
also
not given
kept
much
in
importance,
at cow shed.
I'm only one of the victors of that menstruation also. Yeah. I'm facing also. Yeah.
Should be isolated.
you also need to live outside.
Oh, yeah. If I yeah.
Problem solver. Already,
Okay, for the first group, who would like to enumerate the different qualities that you want your leader to be, or you want your aspect of a leader? Okay, so just please read, do not explain anymore.
Okay, from the combat we have a cognitive part. So the leader should be as an agent of change. Adaptive, critical thinkers, analytical, open-minded of course, problem solver, creative thinkers, traditional, confidence, and sense.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Any additional?
Yes.
Additional?
Visionary.
Visionary?
Okay.
Okay. Futuristic? Visionary? Okay, what else? Still thinking? Okay, so I think let us give the big group
Combat.
Okay, for the second group, emotional aspect, would you like to read?
The emotional aspect of fantastic trial plus one are motivator, sensitive, high EQ, empowerment, inspiration, fair and justice oriented, considerate and empathic. Any more you want to add on to us, please?
Additional. Love.
Love.
Caring.
Love.
Caring. Compassion. Compassion.
Okay, caring.
Passionate.
Love.
Passionate, okay. And any more?
Any more? Committed? Or committed.
Committed, determination, dedication.
Determined.
Committed, dedicated, determined.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that will be your qualities.
Thank you very much.
Yes, finish this day. Let's have the work of the Power Plus. We have here creativity, communication, flexibility, negotiation skills, organizing, being responsible, to research and mentor, facilitator, quick action, of course, being a front runner. So this is our work. Thank you so much.
Fast track, huh?
Power Plus!
Power plus! Additional.
Punctual, can we put where? Punctuality.
Punctuality.
It's a very metaphor as a leader. Yeah, can. Where we should put give some in skill or in cognitive or in
You can say also on the go. The leader will never say no on behalf of the...
Integrity.
What else? Do you have any more additional characteristics? Yes.
You want Ito
Okay.
Going, go. Sita or Jisa. Yes, I think she's going to call somebody.
Come.
Nisa.
समाचार, मनोरञ्जन, समसामयिक कुराकानी एवं रोचक जानकारीको लागि हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानल हिमाल लाइभ टिभी खोलेर सब्स्क्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।